G'day guys, I'm with Ricardo from Flow Designs. We've been lucky enough to supply us with a full body kit for our i30n project car behind us. It's a local business. They're around the corner from us in Bayswater. What I'm going to do is flick over to Ricardo. He's going to give you a rundown on their business and what they do.
Alright guys, I'm Ricardo from Flow Designs, and like Rich said guys, our products are proudly made in Australia, from designing to manufacturing and delivery. And guys, we're confident our splitter will do well on this i30n. That's why we're the first company to ever have 10-year warranty on our splitters.
Cool, so as you saw earlier in the video, we've been hooked up by Flow Designs with this awesome body kit. Gonna open it up now and have a squiz at it. Before I get started on that, I also thought I'd give a shout out to N Garage Performance in South Australia. The guy's name's Damien, small family Australian business. He's hooked us up with some parts as well, like the ITG air filter, some performance stripes. Check out this body kit. We'll open it up. So we went and the option of the basically burger with the lot, which includes the side skirts, it includes the little winglets. So let's have a squiz. So like Ricardo was saying, first company in Australia to offer a 10-year warranty, as well as being completely Australian made. All the parts and pieces are supplied by local suppliers. Let's have a quick look, hey? So obviously I'm attacking the front splitter. Yeah, it looks good. Very thick ABS style plastic. A lot of support on the bosses. Good quality stainless steel bolts. This should come up looking great and be good fun to fit. Beautiful side skirts. Try not to scratch anything. Okay, there's a little bit of modification obviously involved in fitting the rear diffuser. They've given you a good quality MDF template, which is good to see, as opposed to some paper or cardboard. The little wings for the diffuser at the back. And of course this is the diffuser itself. So all of it's been molded, all their designs are done in a CNC machine, so you know, I'm expecting, and I can see like good accuracy, everything looks like it's gonna piece together nicely. And I have got the little box of winglets around somewhere. Just on the ground there. Beautiful, like I was saying, we went all out and got all the optional accessories, which includes these little winglets for the front, the back and the side. So yeah, it up, see how we go. Okay, so we stayed back last night, finished fitting up the full Flow body kit that was supplied to us. Obviously included the full front splitter, the rear diffuser, the side skirts and all the little accessories, the winglets, etc. It was really easy to install. The templates were unreal. All the little pilot holes and everything were very straightforward. The instructions were great. The kit itself is basically flawless. It's nice and strong, definitely stronger than the standard body on the car, the standard bumper. All the little accessories on it look great as well. I've got the tape measure. I thought I'll give you some measurements for you guys at home. Now, keep in mind, we are on the H&R 35mm lowered spring. So this is about as low as you'd want to go with one of your i30s. But to give you an idea, at the lowest point, we're about 100mm off the ground. That is the front there. Moving off to the side skirts, about 120mm on the side skirts to the little winglets, and of course the diffuser on the back, which is Personally, my favourite part of the whole thing, I like the little blade extensions on it. There's plenty of clearance on the back, over 220 mil. Keep in mind, the guys have got your exhausts all thought about as well, leaving a good area, surface area for up to 5-inch tips. So no matter what you've got, it's going to fit up perfectly. Very happy. Okay, one of the other cosmetic upgrades that we've tried out on our i30 is a full iilumo LED light kit. iilumo has hooked us up with a full kit. We're very fortunate. We've installed it and we're absolutely blown away by the results. The quality of the globes compared to the standard is, even just by appearance, is second to none. The brightness is unbelievable, and the best bit is they are all CAN bus modified, so you don't get any fast flashing or anything like that when you change them from the standard globe to the LED style globe. So this has been a fantastic upgrade. We've also done the interior lights, increased the brightness phenomenally. Another very impressive upgrade. Okay, so I fitted half of the iilumo lights, so one of the indicators, one of the reverse, and one of the number plate lights, so we can get an idea on the difference. Now for the rest of them and see how they look. Cool, so we're basically finished up with the aesthetic and the exterior upgrades on our i30n. Pretty stoked with the way it looks. A few other things that we've added is we've tinted the windows and had the roof done in a gloss black vinyl wrap, as well as the rear tail lights have been fogged up a little bit. That was done by Melbourne Styles. Had the wheels upgraded to a Hustler Moz, still a 19-inch, still running the Pirelli P0s with the tyre decals that have been supplied by Tyre Tattz, another Australian and Melbourne company. Some of the other things we did was in the interior, we just glammed it up a little bit by putting in a boost gauge, adding an amplifier to the sound system, and we did some of the dash trims in a carbon wrap. I'll come around and just point these out for you. So we thought we'd give the interior a bit of a design upgrade with a bit of carbon. The amplifier was a full plug and play system that fits in behind the head unit. No wiring's cut, it's very non-invasive, it's worked out great. And we banged a little boost gauge in up here because, like I've mentioned before, the factory boost gauge is about as accurate as the weather. So yeah, very happy with the interior now as well. Also, stay tuned again. I hope you enjoyed the third video in our build. Video 4 is going to include things like anti-lift bushes, a brake upgrade, as well as doing things like the catch can supplied to us by Impossible Fab. So stay tuned, be a good one as well.